The Ymdk Dsa Profile 9009 blank die sub keyset presents a considered option for enthusiasts seeking to customize their MX mechanical keyboards. This set is designed with specific layouts and materials in mind, offering a distinct aesthetic and tactile experience for a range of compatible boards. A core feature of this keyset is its DSA profile, characterized by uniform height across all rows and spherical top surfaces, providing a consistent feel under the fingertips. The use of thick Pbt material is significant, contributing to a robust keycap construction known for its durability and resistance to shine over extended periods of use. For the coloration, the dye sublimation process ensures that the 9009 color scheme is deeply infused into the Pbt plastic, resulting in consistent and lasting hues, even without legends. The blank design itself offers a clean, minimalist aesthetic, catering to touch typists and those who prefer an uncluttered keyboard interface. In terms of practical application, this keycap set is engineered to accommodate common compact ANSI layouts, specifically 61-key, 64-key, and 68-key configurations. It offers direct compatibility with popular mechanical keyboard models such as the GH60, XD64 GK.